hardcore lifters work out at the Gold's Gym. Bodybuilding behemoths. And when they work out, they get focused and they make noises. That's good info to know. I was at the gym my first day. I saw a man go right like this. He was like... terrifying. Like, is he lifting weights or passing a kidney stone? I don't make noises at the gym like that. I make tiny man weightlifting noises. I'm doing curls. I got a little bit of weight on the bar. I sound like a broken choo-choo train. Just... one. The front row's like, that train needs maintenance.